Hello, cherished friends and seekers of timeless wisdom, and a very warm welcome back to our channel. Are you yearning for deeper peace, richer connections, and the serene understanding that truly defines a life well lived, free from unnecessary heartache and regret? Have you ever looked back, wishing you knew certain profound truths earlier about navigating the complexities of relationships, especially as you mature and truly value authentic connections more than ever before? Today, we're not just discussing philosophy, we're unveiling a treasure trove of insights, a practical roadmap to truly meaningful relationships that can enrich your golden years, drawn straight from the enduring wisdom of Stoicism. If you're ready to cultivate a mindset that not only withstands the inevitable tests of time, but actively fosters joy, understanding, and profound respect in your connections, then you are precisely where you need to be. Before we embark on this truly invaluable journey, consider giving this video a heartfelt thumbs up if you believe in the power of enduring wisdom, and subscribing to our channel so you don't miss out on more insights crafted to illuminate your path. Now let's unlock these 9 essential principles, timeless guidance for building truly rewarding relationships as you embrace every precious chapter of your life, viewed through the profound lens of Stoic philosophy. Firstly, a wise man understands the importance of guarding his past. Sharing every intricate detail of your life, particularly the challenging moments and past heartbreaks, is much like laying bare every secret and battle you've ever faced. The sage advice reminds us that old wounds, when too openly exposed without careful thought, can sometimes resurface or be misunderstood, potentially inviting judgment rather than true understanding. There is immense strength in choosing what to reveal and when, holding sacred those parts of your journey that have forged your resilience. Your life story is profoundly yours, a unique tapestry not meant for everyone to scrutinize or exploit, but for you to protect and share with discernment, particularly the very essence of what makes you the strong, resilient individual you are today. Next, a cornerstone of genuine connection lies in having the courage to face the fear of being alone. True wisdom begins with profound self-knowledge, a realization that underscores the critical importance of being at peace with your own solitude. Decisions born out of a deep-seated fear of loneliness, particularly as you reflect on the companionship of a lifetime, can often lead you down paths that diverge from your true self. Remember, being alone is not synonymous with loneliness. Rather, it's an opportunity to cherish your own company, to rediscover your passions, and to find contentment within yourself. When you choose to invite someone into your life, let it be because they genuinely add value, joy, and meaning, enriching your already full existence, rather than serving as a shield against the imagined discomfort of solitude. It is also vital to manage your time wisely. The timeless observation reminds us that life is not short, but that we often allow too much of it to slip away, wasted. As you navigate the later chapters of life, your time becomes an even more precious, finite resource, not something to carelessly cast into a void by excessively focusing all your energy and attention solely on another person. It's an act of profound self-respect to reclaim your time, recognizing that it belongs ultimately to you, not to someone else to consume. Strive to establish a harmonious balance, consciously allocating your time to activities that genuinely bring you happiness, foster continuous personal growth, and deeply satisfy your soul. Your time is an invaluable treasure, and to squander it on someone who may not truly appreciate its worth is to diminish your own vitality. A truly wise individual always remembers to celebrate their achievements. It's a profound teaching that reminds us not to merely seek admiration from others, but to also hold ourselves in esteem. In the hustle of pleasing others or navigating shared lives, it's easy to inadvertently overlook and forget to recognize your own successes, no matter how grand or modest. Every step forward you take, every challenge overcome, every goal attained, regardless of its perceived size, is a victory immensely worth celebrating. Building authentic self-confidence and self-worth, particularly as you look back on a lifetime of accomplishments, through sincerely acknowledging your own progress and contributions, is absolutely essential for living a rich, fulfilling, and contented life. Crucially, safeguard your mental health with unwavering commitment. Compromising your inner peace and well-being for the sake of another is a profoundly self-destructive act, akin to setting your own home ablaze simply to provide warmth for someone else, both harmful and utterly senseless. Your mental fortitude, your peace of mind, and your fundamental happiness should never, under any circumstance, be sacrificed or diminished for others. Reclaim unwavering control over your emotional landscape, Fiercely protect your inner tranquility and continually strengthen your mental resilience. Never allow anyone to diminish your joy. You are the sovereign ruler of your own mind. Your happiness is not a commodity to be traded away. It is a non-negotiable, sacred aspect of your entire well-being. Moreover, a genuine person strives always to be true to oneself. The wisdom of not worrying excessively about what others think perfectly resonates with the timeless Stoic philosophy of unwavering self-authenticity. Constantly agreeing to things you dislike or acting against your core values is like donning a suffocating mask solely to please others, slowly eroding your true identity. Learn the liberating power of saying no and commit to living your life with authentic integrity. Avoid performing roles simply to garner approval. Instead, be transparent, real, and utterly honest with who you are. Remember always, you are the undeniable main character in the grand narrative of your own life, not a mere side character in someone else's story, especially as you write your enduring legacy. Equally important, never sacrifice your path for others. It's wisely remarked that attempting to be everywhere for everyone often means you are truly nowhere for yourself. Similarly, drastically altering the entire trajectory of your life solely to conform to someone else's journey is like persistently wearing shoes that are much too tight, painful, restrictive, and utterly unnecessary. Each hesitant step you take to bend to another's expectations inevitably leads you further away from your unique path, causing you to lose sight of your own cherished goals and aspirations. Embrace your distinct uniqueness and take immense pride in your true colors, the qualities that make you singularly you. Do not compromise your sacred personal journey for anyone else. Walk your chosen path with unshakable confidence, for your life is fundamentally meant to be an authentic reflection of your deepest aspirations and truest self. Furthermore, always prioritize enduring relationships with friends and family. The profound analogy of people being like soil, capable of either nurturing your growth or impeding it, powerfully highlights the critical importance of steadfastly maintaining robust connections with your lifelong friends and family. Pushing these invaluable individuals away in pursuit of someone else's fleeting approval or affection is a deeply misguided and regrettable choice. Reconnect with those cherished souls who have consistently supported you through thick and thin, for your friends and family form the unbreakable, solid foundation of your enduring support system, a legacy of love and trust. Do not risk the breakdown of this vital support network. Instead, value deeply those individuals who have been instrumental, truly integral to your personal growth and well-being across the many years. Finally, a truly insightful person understands how to avoid obsessive devotion. The wisdom of not becoming overly fixated on someone reminds us that such intense obsession inevitably disrupts your inner balance, dangerously blinding you to your own intrinsic worth. Like a satellite endlessly circling, allowing yourself to fixate too much on another person often causes your own unique dreams, aspirations, and individuality to gradually fade into their shadow. It is paramount to reclaim command over your emotional landscape. Cease being a mere shadow, passively living by their rules and expectations, and instead begin to shine brilliantly as your own glorious sun. Remember this eternal truth. Your life is not a mere supporting role in someone else's narrative. You are unequivocally the radiant star of your very own compelling story. Do not, under any circumstance, allow anyone or anything to dim your magnificent light. Thank you for joining us on this illuminating journey into the realm of Stoicism, where ancient wisdom profoundly meets the intricate dance of relationships. Remember, embracing these powerful Stoic principles isn't about rigid gender-specific rules, but about diligently cultivating a profound mindset that effortlessly transcends the myriad challenges we inevitably face in all aspects of life. As we've explored these 9 crucial insights, we genuinely hope you've discovered invaluable wisdom on how to navigate your relationships, both new and old, with deep mindfulness, enduring virtue, and respectful understanding. By sincerely applying these timeless principles, may you forge connections that are robustly rooted in mutual understanding, unwavering respect, and shared growth, contributing to a truly fulfilling life. If you found this exploration of Stoicism and its application to relationships beneficial, please don't hesitate to give us a like, share this wisdom with others, and subscribe for more content designed to enrich the mind and deeply nourish the soul. We encourage you to leave your thoughtful comments and questions below. We truly value your insights. Until next time, stay wise, stay stoic, and continue your remarkable journey towards a life brimming with profound purpose and tranquil serenity.